Hey everyone, how to swap Exyra agent? Okay, click the divorce agent. Okay, click swap. I am the using now. This is using now. Okay, I am use now this. Okay, my balance currently my 2 minutes ago this swap it. This is a Ethereum to USDT. Okay, my Ethereum balance just 2 minutes ago. Okay, this is my swap. First of all, my type here my wallet show Ethereum. Checking your currently Ethereum balance. This is the show rightly. Then swap to USDT. This is the $10 Ethereum. $10 Ethereum you are going to receive. This is minimum sector. This is the then next continue. Then it is a swap done already. This is a best agent. Me